Hey guys, Nate from Winter Equipment, back today with another tech tip, and today we're talking about Carbide, specifically Carbide inserts. Now your traditional Carbide insert runs about an inch long and about 5/8 tall. It features a 25-degree trap that allows for the Carbide to sit flat, flush with the surface at a 65-degree attack angle. But as you can see here, as I roll the plow forward and maybe I'm at a 90-degree or beyond 65, I begin to lose my solid contact surface with the ground. Now Winter Equipment and our premium Carbide blade systems like the Blockbuster Hammerhead, the Razor XL, or the Road Max feature what we call the Hammerhead. The Hammerhead insert features a rounded radius bottom which allows for the insert to engage the ground solidly at a variety of angles. So whether you're sitting at 65 or 90 or really any attack angle, due to the rounded nature of the insert, you have a solid contact with the ground. And then to boot, when you take our insert and the traditional industry insert and put them side by side, and we look at them here, what do you see? Well, you see about 33% more Carbide in Winter Equipment's bullnose insert versus the industry standard 25-degree trap. To learn more about our Carbide inserts and all of the wonderful products that we manufacture, give us a phone call at 800-2-WINTER or check us out at winterequipment.com.